Kevin in Woodridge, New York. David, you call me up over here, ich muss doch jetzt in the Catskills. Was geht du vor? Noch ein paar Wochen bis es immer zu gehen.
So let me explain to you. Ich bin bei Hose, this is managed by Crow Management.
Okay.
Jetzt was Crow Management it is, very simple. Basically, es geht jetzt an zwischen Vater Zimmer, die Wochen bis der Zimmer. Man geht darauf kommen, du, an Stutz, so Sachen umkommen vor Shabbos. Und das darf man sehen, als ein Piper gekracht. Oder anything else happen with the house. Und ich kann bulbs, electricity, oder clock toilets, and anything. Kommst da ran, du, und Crow macht sicher, wenn du kommst vor Shabbos, du plockst an Crackbutton, du wachst in Schiel.
Wow, any damages,
Anything. Da machen sicher, sie öffnen dich auf dein Haus als an 100%.
That's unbelievable. Da unten kommt jetzt ein größten...
Ja, jetzt in der Season, ja, sie geht an lange Shabbos, und so.
In diese Zeit, wo du unten sitzt auf den 17. von Pushu, mit kommt du an vor Shabbos, es erwartet.
Normale gerade, wenn man fuhrt darauf jetzt, sitzt man nicht so lange an Traffic, wie wenn du mitten in der Zimmer,
aber the concept is, du musst anwachen in deinem Bungalow, dein Haus, dein Boss.
Exactly.
Pluggen an der Crackbutton, gehen mit
ja. Das können wir rausschicken, die Kinder, sie sind draußen, aber sie auch können sein, innenweinig, ohne Parl von Wasser.
Exactly. Wow, so you take care of the house, das heißt, die Gäste mit der Woche, machen sich alles in Ordnung.
Ja, so Crow Management is basically, sie sind Upstate Boys, wie man rief das.
Upstate Boys, I like that term, Upstate Boys.
Sie sind du, sie drehen sich du.
So, das ist ein ganz Jahr auch jetzt?
Sie sind du, ein ganz Jahr tippt man ist busy, man geht zu alle Hasen, sie checken, sie machen sicher gute geschehen. Also Upstate, so Sachen, exactly, Sachen können geschehen, so Sachen, Menschen sind nicht du.
Exactly.
Ja, es ist pisst. Es ist leidig.
So you love it,
yeah, it's quiet. It's traffic in the zoo, but andere issues can exactly.
You take it as all year round. Aber so jetzt immer auf zwischen Pesach und Dezember. Wenn du kommt Jahr auf, you have a special service, so you don't have to be signed up a whole year. You can be signed up to Crow Management just for these next couple of months, and you take care of them A to Z.
So basically, ich hatte jetzt was, du stand, man geht rein an ein Haus, but es ist a service, was es ist a one-time service. Du kommst tun, the calls are on, and the guys sicher machen, as just your house is ready for you to come in.
So there's a one-time service, you call it Crow Management, they work at the afternoon, everything's working, the lights, the shulchan parlors, the shulchan issues. There's no surprises.
Exactly. You come in, as wie the house in the city is good, the same Sache geht's an, du.
And obviously, not surprised, they fix it for you.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
That's why they're here.
So Chevre, give a phone call for Crow Management, because it's an awesome thing. You don't want to come up with any surprises, leave Crow, and they take care of you for that. Okay.
Jetzt lass me sagen, so du andere service, was this is the summer service basically. So basically, wenn ein Mensch ist in der Heim, ein ganz Jahr, und der arbeitet ist schon, man kommt an den Mann, so du a clock, toilet, so du a bulb arbeit nicht, a fuse, ja, ich rede nicht schon kein Handiwork, wo du das schon mehr detailed. Just simple basic necessities, was geschieht in jeder Haus, das ist eine Sache, was geschieht. Ist eine Sache, Crow Management hat das a service. Die Männer sind in the city, die Frauen sind in upstate, anything happens, was tut man? Man callt Crow Management. Ist so a service, das man sich auf, von der 10 Wochen von der Jahr. En ik ga ook keine examples in de house, wo ze kan geschehen, wo ze macht sich eibig. Ze sagt, was...
So wenn der Mann mit der war, he fixes it.
Exactly. Any pizza sagt, was geschehen, a screw, I like a screw, the couch is loose, ja? Something happened.
Wow.
Ja, exactly. Gaim, kijk, siehst? Als sagt, ja, ze macht sich nicht geherig ziehen.
Okay.
Jetzt, it's just a screw. It's a tighten, loosen the screw. It's a simple task, was a man tut in the heim. It's nothing.
Wenn der Mann nicht do.
Exactly, the man nicht do.
It's a big
fuse.
For her, it's a big issue.
Correct.
Van de man ze goed is, maar de man is do. Du can Crow around the picture.
Correct. A fuse arbeitet nicht. Kenn schon the lights. The wash machine arbeitet nicht. The dryer arbeitet nicht. The gas wrench. Alles. It's anything.
So how does it work? You do every type of work, or do you just not?
So basically how it is the basics. Fuse, the basic Sachen. Was man da verstehen echt any work, like was geht daran riefen einem, then it's okay.
It's covered by the...
It's covered by the... correct.
What's the fee gerade?
The fee is going to be $100 a week.
$100 a week?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's not expensive. Exactly. For the amount you spend in the summer, this is a joke.
So for the bungalow, the whole thousands of dollars.
Correct.
And so you don't want you have to sit there.
Exactly. Yeah, you take away the misery for $100 a week. It's nothing.
$100 a week. Unreal.
Yeah.
So you cover the size, but if it's something more difficult, the washing machine is echt zerbrochen, you need a real plumber or...
So Crow is, I'm going with a bunch echte gelungene Menschen, like ze do in upstate, soms te wissen, dat de Balamalocha do, you have to really trust. And I'm originally from upstate. I know this stuff.
So this is the echte is goed.
So exactly, but Crow had real responsible people. He knows who to trust, and hij weet wem te riefen. So it hot mensen wem rieft van deze zaken. And again, yeah, this is gonna cost you, but again, it will cost you anyways.
But it's overseen by Crow.
Yeah, Crow maakt zeker as 100%. Yes, it's 100. Yeah,
so they make sure it's taken care of. It's called out.
Crow told me 100% is not enough. He wants 120%.
So ze ziet dat goede dagen van de
100. Yeah.
Is daar en sluit hebben, maakt zich te wegen 10. Unreal. I love the concept.
Yeah.
Kick the couch to breaks, got winkels to breaks. So you know, something small breaks, you guys are on top of it, and if something big breaks, you're also on top of it.
Yeah, 100%. We make sure that everything is 110%.
110% Crow style. I love it. The deck. En pas de breaks van de deck. The grill.
Exactly, the basics.
Unbelievable. $100 a week.
And you get the service, correct.
So let me begin noch einmal geben. Father Zimmer, you want to come to your bungalow without any surprises. You don't want to see the lights are broken. You don't want to see the fuses down. You don't want to see, whatever it may be that would happen through the winter. Crow does a pre-summer inspection. Let's go.
Yeah.
That kind of came out of the bungalow.
Ook are cleaning. We can call them for cleaning.
Cleaning also?
Yeah, it's officially one of the services. They provide you cleaning. When you come up to the bungalow, dan komt u spelen vannacht met de kinderen, de peklig, de deggen zijn ongevuld met renselig. Die als kan staan, dat kan koken. Komt het wel wat eigen banaan.
Just fall to bed.
Ja, de komt eraan dat and everything is set.
So from cleaning to pre-summer inspection to the weekly summer insurance, besides let's call it insurance because you insure
exactly
10 weeks of the summer.
You insure a happy and easy summer.
Happy and easy summer and all year round is de ochtend.
Ja, so je hebt wel gerend van all year round. So all year round is does. Ze doen de summer houses, dus mensen komen erop op een dag. Ze doen mensen van summer rentals. So quoted by this. I think inside the rentals, like if you want to rent it out, that kind of days. And if you have a summer home and you want to come up in the winter for Shabbos and days, then will sicher machen, als das Team is ungezint, the Kim's tun in a 10-degree weather. They will say,
okay, then to wrap it up, laat me de begin. Gazure vinden was Crow Management dit.
So Crow Management had also. Crow Management had a service fathers in it.
The pre-summer inspection.
Correct. They have the summer.
10 weeks of the summer.
Correct.
$100 a week.
Yes, $100 a week. And by the way, they have a good thing now. Wenn es sein sich auch bis schwierig, da kommt kann rangen an a Geudel to give it a free summer.
So wow, so if you sign up before Shavuos, you might be the lucky one to get
correct,
the summer.
Yeah.
That's good to assume.
Exactly. Nog dan we do the winter.
All year.
So yeah, exactly. The all year. Was this is $200 a Chodesh. And
because they take you all year, das heißt, etwas apart zu brechen.
Anything, yeah.
Anything happens.
En ook het staan maar before na property and then ups get. Anything exactly. Any
or something.
Yeah.
But check that on, weißt du?
Exactly.
Crow Management. Do what's the phone number?
And information is on the screen.
Klaar, do.
Exactly, do.
The phone number with the email address is on the screen. You can call, texten, WhatsAppen, email.
Yeah. And by the way, Crow had a back-end system. Was ist ausgestellt von Menschen auf mit Flipphones.
Really?
Exact. Das ist schon kein Internet, das ist gut nicht. Kannst eine Firma und hoffen, du get the service.
Das heißt, Crow updates you on the flip phone.
So, yeah.
It's a full system.
Correct.
So you have to sign up the Crow to it.
Exactly. Exactly.
If you haven't signed up the Crow, I highly recommend it. Either I can personally the Balabus. It's a very, very, very solid management team. And you don't have to dog. Your wife can enjoy the summer while you're sitting in the city and enjoying yourself.
Exactly.
Geven das mal lekker een veilige zimmer.
Geheim. One second. Ga nog niet. This RHP Hardware and Paint. So RHP is a store was 2 minuten up from the exit of the 17 Hobbs allocation and 2 minuten up in the Palisades. They have paint, hardware. The comes erop upstate, yeah. The weiß dat da Sachen, bulbs, any cleaning supplies. So du hast so viel Sachen, any hardware was das stehen. RHP is your place. It's 2 minuten up. And stutz gerne Home Depot. Home Depot is a very commercial, like the time machine a lot stehen dort. They're ready to serve you. They verstehen that need.
Fine. So what's the number?
Du hast the number. Exactly. As it is.
You can call that deliver nog het.
I deliver it off upstate.
So
and my job actually is a salesman for RHP for the commercial accounts, management and developers and they sure.
Have it at RHP?
Yeah, we're here to serve.